The inception of spending. Right now, somewhere in a server farm in Virginia, a line of code just decided what you're having for dinner next Tuesday. An algorithm from halfway across the world knows you're about to buy something you don't need. It's not magic, and it's not just targeted ads. It's predictive behavioral modeling. In the next few minutes, we're going into the code. I'm going to show you how AI predicts your next spending mistake with 98% accuracy, and more importantly, how you can poison the data to take your bank account back. Meet Kim. Kim thinks she's in control, but AI has already flagged today as a high vulnerability window for her. Why? Because it's Tuesday, it's raining, and she just finished a stressful 2-hour meeting. The AI knows that in this exact emotional state, Kim's resistance to convenience spending drops by 40%. You think you're in control of your money? Think again. In 2025, the biggest threat to your bank account isn't inflation or taxes, it's predictive consumerism. Today, I'm showing you the terrifying science of how AI knows you better than you know yourself, and how to glitch the system to save thousands. The digital shadow. Every time you scroll, your digital shadow grows. AI doesn't just track what you bought, it tracks what you hovered over for 1.2 seconds. The mistake. Buying when your willpower battery is low. AI knows exactly when your battery is at 5%, both your phone's and your brain's. The anatomy of a spend mistake. To understand how AI predicts your mistakes, we have to define what a spending mistake actually is. It's not just buying a $5 latte. It's the opportunity cost. Mistake equals emotional impulse times frictionless payment minus real utility. Step 1. The pulse check. AI monitors your digital footprint, not just what you buy, but how long you hover over an image. Step 2. The micro moment. It waits for the decision fatigue phase. By 7 p.m., your brain's prefrontal cortex, the part that says no, is tired. Step 3. The prediction. The AI sees you've watched 3 videos on productivity. It predicts your next mistake will be a $200 office chair or a masterclass you'll never finish. The 3 predictions AI makes and why they cost you. 1. The impulse window prediction. AI knows you're 80% more likely to spend after a micro-stress event. If your GPS shows you just spent 40 minutes in traffic, expect an Uber Eats discount notification the second you park. 2. The social mirror prediction. If 3 of your friends on Instagram buy a specific tech gadget, the AI predicts your social exclusion fear. It serves you an ad not for the gadget, but for the lifestyle associated with it. 3. The life milestone prediction. Mention Target's pregnancy prediction story. AI can predict a life change, marriage, move, baby, before you've told your family, hiking prices on the items you'll soon need out of necessity. The mistake. How companies use your data to inflate prices. This is dynamic pricing. If the AI predicts you are a high-value customer, for example, you use an iPhone 15 and live in a high-rent zip code, it might actually show you higher prices because it knows your price ceiling. The 5 neural triggers AI uses against you. 1. The anchoring trap. AI shows you a $1,000 watch first, so the $300 one looks like a steal. 2. The sunk cost engine. You've already spent $50 on this hobby. Why stop now? 3. Hyper-personalized scarcity. It knows you specifically hate missing out. Only 2 left for your zip code. 4. The subscription creep. AI predicts which services you'll forget to cancel based on your low engagement patterns. 5. The dopamine loop. It tracks your checkout high and times the next ad for the moment that high fades. The solution: glitching the AI.
You can't hide from AI, but you can confuse it. Here is my 3-step money glitch. 1. The 24-hour cart freeze. AI predicts you'll buy in the first 10 minutes. If you wait 24 hours, the urgency algorithm resets, often triggering a "please come back" discount code. 2. Incognito audits. Always check high-ticket items, flights, tech, on a clean browser. See if the predictive markup disappears. 3. The cash reality check. Move your discretionary fund to a separate, non-linked digital bank. AI struggles to predict your spend when it can't see your total liquidity. How to ghost the algorithm. If AI can predict your mistakes, can you use that same logic to predict your success? Yes. Here is my framework for algorithm sabotage. The 48-hour friction rule. If the AI predicts a spend, force a manual override. Never one-click buy. Data poisoning. Spend 5 minutes a day searching for things you have zero intention of buying. For example, industrial tractors. It confuses the consumer profile the AI has built for you. The reverse AI budget. Use AI tools like Copilot or ChatGPT to analyze your own bank statements. Ask it, based on my last 3 months, what is the most useless thing I am likely to buy this weekend? In conclusion, taking back the wheel. Technology is a tool. It can be a GPS for your wealth or a vacuum for your paycheck. The difference is awareness. If this video opened your eyes, hit the subscribe button. I'm JayV, and I'm here to make sure the robots don't win your wallet. Comment glitch below if you've ever seen an ad for something you were just thinking about.